Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another hair video. Hair video. I made this lovely two-strand twist. It is a very good protective hairstyle if you know how to maintain it while in the protective style. So sit back and let's get started. I started off by sectioning my hair, meant that my hair was washed, conditioned and well moisturized. I washed my hair yesterday and I just got back from church and I was like, okay, what do I do for my hair for the week? So I thought of two-strand twists and here I am making two-strand twists. You see, my hair was initially in a twist. I took the twist out before sectioning my hair. The idea of twisting my hair after every wash, after every moisturizing routine on the wash day is to help me lock in that moisture which I've added to my hair and also to help me stretch my hair out. So I sectioned my hair into 4 sections and used a hair tie to secure each section just to help the parts stay in place. You can also decide to secure your sections in place with a coil clip, or you can as well use a scrunchie. Most times I use a scrunchie, I use a hair tie, I use a clip. The idea is just to do what works for you. So that's me eating a late lunch, because I just got back from church. I wanted to do this hair before I go get myself some meal to eat, and I got started. And I started off by checking the size I want. I made a small section back there and I started braiding. I braided the roots about 3 or 4 times, then I went ahead to twist. I'm going to show you what I'm doing when I get to the front. So when I get to the front of the hair, I'll show you how I start the braids. So I went ahead to twist that down, twist, and when I got to the tips, the ends of the hair, I used my sealing mix, which I made, my DIY sealing mix, to seal the ends. If you want to see my sealants, let me know and I'll do that video for you. So just type in the comment section, I want to see your DIY hair sealants, and I'll do that video for you. I don't know if you noticed, but I didn't spray my hair with water before sectioning or twisting my hair because I wanted to maintain the length that's been stretched, like the length I have from stretching it and the twist. My hair is still moisturized because I washed it just yesterday. Moisturize it very well, put it on a twist, and I took down that twist immediately I got back from church before beginning the video and parting my hair for this mini twist. So that's my sealant I'm showing you right there. I use it at the ends and they came out fine. The ends were just looking very frizzy before I added the sealant, and the sealant just make it look so nice. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Joyce Selma James. I create content centered around lifestyle, cooking, natural hair tips, hair care in general, and I also do occasional vlogs. So you're welcome to subscribe to my channel, join this family if you're yet to do so, and give this video a thumbs up to support this growing channel. It's a growing channel, we're growing. At this point, I'm just going to let you watch and enjoy the video.
Natural grace to empower each day, one strand at a time, oh hey, sharing love in a natural way, living life in a natural way.
So at this point I am halfway done. I'm done with the back sections of the hair. It's remaining 2 sides, and I went in with a comb to brush my edges.
Feel the soul in the air, natural vibes everywhere. Together we rise and live with every.
Right here I had to go in with a rattle comb just to straighten the tips of my hair. As you see me combing, you see I was holding the hair and I combed it out gently so I didn't rip my hair off. I was very careful. When you're twisting your hair, you have to get all tangles out. That part looked a bit too tangled. I couldn't get the tangles there with my hands, so I had to go in with my ratty comb and I combed it gently. So like you see right here, I went ahead to section the hair into 3, and I went ahead to braid my hair about 3 to 4 times.
Natural grace to empower each day, one strand at a time. Oh hey, sharing love in a natural way.
Split the middle hair in 2 and I started twisting.
Living our best life, oh. Tips and styles that glow, hair care from root to tip. Empowerment in every sip. Feel the soul.
And when I got to the end, I used my DIY sealant to seal the ends.
We rise and live with every style and gift.
Look at the difference. You see the difference. You see how the ends were looking. My DIY sealant, it's a game changer, man. It looks juicy. It looks so juicy, so classy, so cutie, you know. Very nice. For the benefit of those who did not get it the first time, I'll go over the process again. I took that section, sectioned it into 3, and I started braiding. I don't know if you can see the way I'm braiding right here. I'm braiding downwards. You know, most people when they braid, they pick the roots, pick it in a way that the hair stands. So braiding downwards as if I'm doing inner weaving helps the roots to stay flat. I don't know if that makes sense. I'll explain that in another clip. I braided 4 times. I sectioned the hair in the middle into 2 and started twisting.
To empower each day, one strand at a time. Oh hey, sharing love in a natural way. Living out in a natural way.
And when I got to the end, I used my DIY sealant to seal the ends. At this point, I'm just going to let you watch and enjoy the video. I'm going to come back when I feel like I should explain something or when there's need for me to say something, when there's need for me to talk. So keep on watching.
The air, natural vibes everywhere. Together we rise and live with every style and gift.
So here is a close-up view of what I do. I take a section and part it into 3. I braid downwards. Braiding downwards helps to keep my root flat. As you can see, I didn't use any gel, any edge control on the roots. I braided downwards and my roots stayed in place and flat. I braid downwards about 4 to 5 times. After braiding about 5 times, I take the hair in the middle and section it into 2 to have 2 legs, and I start to twist. And I twist, twist, twist. I twist all the way down.
Bird from flows with joys on my natural grace to empower each day, one strand at a time. Oh hey, sharing love in a natural way.
And when I got to the end, I used my DIY sealant to seal the ends. And I'll go ahead to show that here again. I'll just repeat the process again so you have a close-up view of how I braid and twist my hair. So while I'm doing this, let's talk about why I love twist. The benefits of 2-strand twists. There are several reasons why I choose mini twist as my major protective hairstyle. And number 1 on my list is because it's a protective style. It helps me reduce the need of daily manipulation, which can lead to breakage. It shields the hair, allowing it to retain moisture and grow stronger. The second reason, it's because it is low maintenance. Once installed, mini twists requires minimal upkeep, so this makes them an excellent option for those looking for a stylish yet low maintenance hairstyle. Thirdly, I love them because of its versatility. It can be styled in several ways, such as buns, bantu knots. You can even do a cornrow on it, or even just let it loose. It allows for creative expression and different looks without needing to redo the hairstyle. Mini twist helps retain hair length. It is good for length retention by minimizing breakage, frizz, split ends, and single strand knots. Mini twist helps retain hair length. That's another reason why I love it. And the final reason why I love mini twist is because they are gentle on the scalp. Mini twist just help reduce the risk of tension and damage that can come from tighter hairstyles. I have a very sensitive scalp. I don't need any serious manipulation on my scalp. I can't stand the pain, and mini twists are just excellent. They are gentle on my scalp and allows me access to my scalp whenever I want to. I love it because I can take it down easily without stress. Yeah, so it's a very great style for me, though it takes time to install. This hair actually took me 5 hours to get it done. I came back from church by 7. I started the hair by 7:30 and I finished the hair by 12:30 a.m. So it takes a lot of time to install this, but it's a good hairstyle. I don't mind the time because if you know how to maintain the hair, you're going to wear it for long. So sitting up for 5 hours is nothing. I had this hair for 1 month on, and I filmed the takedown process. I did shots on that, but if you want to see a long form video on that, I could do it. So let me know in the comment section. So these are the reasons why I love mini twists. At this point, I'm just going to let you watch and enjoy the video.
Living our best life, oh. Tips and styles that glow, hair care from root to tip, empowerment every sip. Feel the soul in the air, natural vibes everywhere. Together we rise and live with every style.
And finally, I am done with my hair. I love it. Look at that bounce. Look at that bounce. There's nothing I love more than the bounce that comes with mini twists. Like, I love this hair. I love it. What do you think? Do you love it? I don't know, I like asking that in almost all my hair video. Do you love it? Let me know in the comment section. I love this hair. It's so beautiful. It's so light. It's so free. There's no tension on my scalp whatsoever. And I'm going to rock this for 1 good month.
Living out in a natural way. Living our best life, oh. Tips and styles that glow.
This is 5 hours sitting down making my hair. 5 hours gone, and it is worth it. So thanks for watching. Give this video a like, give it a massive like, a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, keep winning and living your best life.